Today, I'll show you how to add an autoplay video in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance your website with engaging content or simply want to add a dynamic touch, autoplay videos can be a great way to capture your audience's attention. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to help you seamlessly integrate the autoplay videos into your Squarespace site. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the area of your Squarespace site where you'd like to add your video. This could be any page or section that you feel would benefit from a lively video touch. Once there, you'll need to add a block. To do this, simply click on Add Block. From the selection of blocks, choose Video. This is your starting point for incorporating your video content directly onto your page. With the video block added, the next step is to upload your video file. It's important to note here that Squarespace provides an option to upload files directly rather than using a URL. So click on the plus sign or upload file option. This will prompt you to select the video file from your computer that you want to showcase on your page. Make sure your video is ready and optimized for web use, ensuring quick loads and smooth playback for your visitors. Once your video is uploaded, the next important setting to tweak is the autoplay feature. In the video block settings, you'll find an option labeled Autoplay. Simply toggle the autoplay switch to the on position. This action ensures that your video will automatically start playing when someone visits your page. Autoplay can be particularly effective in grabbing attention, but keep in mind that it's often best used for videos that don't require sound, as the sound can sometimes be intrusive for viewers. And there you have it. Your video should now be set to autoplay, creating a more engaging experience for your site visitors. Adding this feature can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site and keep visitors engaged longer. Remember, while autoplay videos can be captivating, it's crucial to consider user experience. Make sure your video content is relevant and enhances the narrative of your page. In conclusion, adding an autoplay video to your Squarespace site is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how your content is perceived. By following these simple steps, adding a video block, uploading your file, and toggling autoplay, you're well on your way to creating a more dynamic, engaging web presence. Thank you for watching and happy creating on Squarespace.